Hi there, this is James from Mode Lighting, and in this video we're going to go over button colors and button feedback. Okay, so I've run the Setup Assistant here to make a one-area system. I've then changed button stem to be an impulse type button, on, off, raise and lower. And let's have a quick look at what the default colors are. Here we are on the monitor page, so we can see inactive buttons are in blue. The all-off button is set to a fixed red, and when you select a scene, you can see that the active button goes green. The impulse button is inactive as cyan, and if you click it, it goes purple when it's in use. The two button buttons here are just doing lower and raise, and they're currently in purple. So these are the default kind of colors that you'll see when you set up. These are editable. If we go back through to the configuration page, we can go to the options, and we can go to button colors. We have two main sections here. Button static colors. So these are some static color names that you'll be able to select for a button if you need to, and you can adjust them as you wish. Going to the color wheel and selecting a new color in here from this default set. If you want to make a very, very specific color, you can go through to this button palette and start adjusting some of these ones in here, and then that will add to your palette down here, so you can make a very custom color if needed. So yes, static colors at the top. Once those are selected on a plate, they will just be that color and they will never change. We then have three lots of dynamic colors available. So as we saw, the toggle impulse set was the cyan and the purple, and the normal recall is the blue and the green. And you can also set up another set if need be, so you have and use a different option here. So we could go in here and say, I really want, in this case, a orange and a dark blue set. I could do something along those lines if I wished and apply that. And then it's just a matter of how you actually set those to the buttons. So we can do that in here from the spanner icon here. And what we have here is we have the color scheme for each of the buttons. If you go and tick on these, then you can override the defaults and what they are. So under here, yeah, we have obviously black for unused, and then we have our nudge fade and static toggle, static recall colors. And then we have some of our dynamic colors that we were looking at, and a couple more static options as well. So if I wanted that button one to use that other dynamic set that we were setting up, we would go for user toggle and hit OK. Now if I go back through to the monitor page, we can see that first button now is that new color set that we had pressed, giving us a few more options. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more content.